Hello friends, I am Brenda Sheshni. Today I am here to discuss the technical topic that is the reporting the ADRs in the pharmacovigilance. Let's see the introduction. Adverse drug reactions are the unwanted or harmful response to a drug that occur during a normal therapeutic use. Monitoring and reporting ADRs is a crucial aspect of a pharmacovigilance, which is the science and activities related to the detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of the adverse effects of the pharmaceutical products. Effective ADR reporting helps ensure the patient safety, enhances the therapeutic outcomes, and allows for the better risk management by healthcare professionals, regulators, and the pharmaceutical industry. In this report, we will examine the importance of the ADR reporting in the pharmacovigilance, the mechanism and the system in the place for the reporting ADRs, the roles of the healthcare professionals, patients, and the pharmaceutical industry, and the challenges and regulatory frameworks that govern ADR reporting. Now, let's see the role of the pharmacovigilance in the drug safety. The pharmacovigilance aims to identify and evaluate the risks associated with the medications, especially those that may not have been detected during the pre-market clinical trials. Clinical trials generally focus on efficacy and are conducted with a relatively small and specific population, which means that the rare or long-term ADR may not be identified. Post-marketing surveillance, the monitoring a drug after it is released to the general population, is crucial for identifying these potential risks. The primary objectives of the pharmacovigilance in relation to the ADRs include in that first is the detecting the new ADRs that were not observed in the clinical trials, assessing the frequency and severity of ADRs within the general population. Next, that is the identifying the risk factors such as age, gender, comorbid conditions, or the drug interactions associated with the ADRs. Implementing the risk mitigation strategies, including the label chances, warning, or the withdrawals of a drug from a market, it is necessary. Now, ADR's reporting system, in that first is the spontaneous reporting system. The most common system, that is the system of the ADR reporting, is the spontaneous reporting system, where the healthcare professionals, patients, and the sometimes pharmaceutical companies voluntarily report the suspected ADRs to national health authorities. These reports are often submitted to regulatory bodies like US FDA, European Medicine Agency, that is the EMA, or the WHO in the United States. Second is the mandatory reporting by the pharmaceutical companies. The pharmaceutical companies are legally obligated to report ADRs that are brought to their attention, whether through clinical trials, post-marketing surveillance, or the consumer complaints. Once an ADR is identified, companies must submit it is relevant regulatory authorities in a timely manner. Next, that is the patient reported ADRs. In recent years, there has been push to encourage the patient themselves to report the ADRs either directly or through the healthcare providers. Patient reported ADRs are increasingly being recognized as a valuable source of information, particularly for detecting the issues that healthcare professionals may overlook. Next, that is the signal detection. Once ADRs are reported, they are reviewed for the patterns or the signals that may indicate a potential safety concerns. These signals can be identified through the statistical analysis of the ADR reports, and they might promote the further investigation into the safety profile of a drug. Signal detection is the vital part of the pharmacovigilance, and it has to priorities which ADRs need to the address to the additional studies, label updates, or the regulatory actions. I think it is clear to everyone the methods of the ADR detecting in the pharmacovigilance. Thank you, friends, for listening me today. Thank you again.